Hi dear friend, today I'm gonna teach you how to create an app icon and how you can integrate into your app. So open your terminal and now here we will create a React Native project. Okay, as you can see our project is created now, and after that now we will open our Xcode, and here we will see that how we can place our app icon. So I will show that how the assets are replaced one by one into the Xcode. So as you can see here in the iOS directory, if you go to the this one, then here you will find the images.exe assets. Actually here we will place all the files one by one, but actually as you can see this is the JSON files, so we will not do this by this way. Okay, so we will open our Xcode and there we will replace one by one in an assets of app icon, like how you will, you will replace like 20 by 20 assets into the, the block, and then the 29 by 29 and 40 by 40, all that one by one. So you will see that how we can replace that icons. And after that, okay, now we will open Xcode. So you can open your Xcode through the command line, or maybe you can go from within the directory, like where your project resides in. uh, like if you type here, you will find your Xcode here, or just press enter, then the Xcode will be opens. Or uh, other than this, what you can do, you can go to your, directory, like where your project sets, like just like I created my project in, this one directory. So here, so just you will have to find in, you just have to find the iOS directory, and then there, then you have to just open your exe workspace file. So just press on it. Okay, as you can see, like I have two options here. So you just have to click here, and then just click on this right side arrow, and here then go to this directory, and here you will find the images, and then you will find here the app icon options. See, we have small blocks of, the dashed square icons, like where you will place every icons of 40 by 40, 60 by 60. So you don't need to worry about this, like how this will be created. So once we have our app icons, we will go to a site, and then there we will see that how we will create an app icon. And it's just a simple procedure. You just have to place the your app icon, and then your assets will be, uh, created automatically from there. And then you just have to replace one by one here, like as the dimensions are, you are seeing here, like 40 by 40, 60 by 60, all of them, this will be placed one by one. Okay, so now we will create our app icon from a Canva tool. Maybe if you are familiar with the Canva before or not, so I will show you that how you can create an app icon simply. Okay, now I'm gonna create an app icon from Canva tool. So I have already installed the desktop app in my Mac. So either you can install in your desktop, or you can go to the Canva websites, and you can design there. Okay, so it's the basically the same interface if you have just installed the desktop app. So I'm gonna open the Canva app, and now as you can see, so this is the interface of the Canva app. So now click on this plus icon button, type here. So click on the first option, and your white window will be shown here. So now here you can design your own, or you can select multiple, the option here that are already pre-built in here. So if you just want to customize your icon, so you can just either drop here, or you can fully customize your icon from scratch, uh, like as you can see from the left side. Here you can find all the options like elements and your text and your uploads. Even you can upload your icon from your assets, like where you have kept in your directory, and then you can export here. uh, so like just click on the upload files, and you can add your file from here, and then select. Like as you can see now here, so if you just click on it, then your image will be shown here, and now you can customize this image. So there are many options like how you want to customize your icon. So if you just want to be simple as that with the text, or with the elements, you can do that also. So let's start with simple customization. So we will just create a simple app icon. So let's get started. So like I just want to give this colors black, and then I will just take these options, uh, maybe this one. Okay, and give color to this. After that you can select like which fonts, or which style you want your text to be. So there are paid version also. If you just wants to select those, you just have to pay them, and then you will be good to go. Okay, I'm gonna select. Okay, let's go with the simple one. Type here react if, just stretch it out. Or maybe you can place it here. Just make it smaller. Place this above. Okay, this is just simple. So you can add some more style here. Like you can select from the elements, maybe like this circle. Okay, give color, white color, maybe this. Or if you just wants to add some more text, you can do that. But as for the simplicity, so I'm just leaving it, so we can show you that how after that you can generate your app icon, and place those icons in the Xcode, and then you will be good to go. Okay, after that, once you have completed your you know you're designing the icon, so you can export from here, like click on share. So click on downloads. So you have multiple option here, like in which format you want to use. So I'm just selecting the default option here, like the PNG, and just click on download, and your asset will be downloaded. And just give it a name, maybe RN logo is good. Save it. So now we will move on to the Xcode, and then where sorry, before that we will generate our app icon assets, like how you can, create your 40 by 40 or 60 by 60, like any other dimensions like we have shown before, like in the Xcode we need to generate some files. So we will go to the app icon generator site, and there we will create our assets. Okay, so now we will go to the app icon generator site, and there we will place our this logo, and then we will generate the assets for our icons so that we can place one by one in our Xcode. Okay, so let's go to the browser, type here app icon generator, just drag and drop your file and click on generate. Now your icons have been generated here. So it here now as you can see, so you have two options here, both for the Android and the iOS. uh, for the iOS, your icons will be shown here, like as you can see. Now these files will be placed one by one into the Xcode, and for Android you just need to replace your files, the bitmap files, in your Android directory. You can just simply put this one into your Xcode, in your VS codes. So for Android we will see once we are completed with the iOS. So now open your Xcode. So click on app icon now alongside it. So now you just have to map the files. So as you can see, I will just map every file, the dimension that you are seeing. You just have to drag and drop. So 40 to the 40 by 40, and same like others, you will just drag and drop. So now we are done with placing our assets file here. So you just have to uh, run the simulator so that you can see that how your app icon will look like. So you can select here Android. So I will select here like iPhone 15 Pro. So our simulator will be shown here. So as you can see in the simulator, we have our app icon that is being shown in for this app. It's not looking too good, but I think it's good to go. So my purpose was just to teach you that how you can create an app icon from Canva. Okay, now we are done with the iOS, and we will start with the Android. So already we have generated files for our Android. So it's just 1 or 2 minutes procedure for the Android. So let's move to the Android part. Okay, for the Android part, you just go to the Android directory, and then app, then src, then main, and then test file. And here as you can see that you have 5 files here, like meepmap, stpi, mdpi, so on. And after that you just have to place the similar files like you have generated in your the app, from app icons, like as you can see here, like in Android. So here you will find there are 5 files here, I mean 5 directory of files. You just have to replace them. So if you just select all this and drag here, your files will be replaced. And then once you run your emulator, then you will see your app icon. But one thing that is very important to note here, like as you can see here, like you have 2 files, okay, the round one and the simple one. So in most of the devices you will find that there is a app icon of in the circular shape and in the square shape. But as you can see here, the app icon that we have generated, we have only the one that would be of the square shape. Okay, so if you just want to be, the circular shape, you just have to copy this one and paste it here, and then rename it to the round one. Okay, and you just have to similarly place these files in all of these files. Like you can copy this one or paste this. And now you are good to go. So I just modified these 2 files. You just have to similarly perform the same task for this, and then select all this and then replace it here in this directory res file. So it will ask to replace, so just click this for the 5 times. So now you are good to go. As you can see, your file are here. If run your emulator from the command line or from the Android Studio, then you will see your app icon in the emulator. Or if you are running on the device, then you will see the app icon on your device.